In this video, I want to share with you 10 free ideogram prompts for the Haw Tua niche. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 10 free ideogram prompts for the Haw Tua niche, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Saturday morning, June 22nd, 10:02 a.m. sitting at only 5 sales, so kind of a little slow start to the day. Sales have kind of been trickling down for me, not too sure what's going on, but hopefully things will pick back up. But that's going to put me at 1,114 sales for the month and $1,544 for the month. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So as you probably already know, the Haw Tua niche is taking the internet by storm. It's pretty cool or amazing how these viral videos can make us money on Merch by Amazon. Now, if you want more content for the Haw Tua niche, I've put out 2 videos. I'm just waiting for the thumbnail, but the time you're watching this, the other one should be out. So I have one on whether the Haw Tua niche is safe, and then I also, the one that I'm waiting for the thumbnail is Haw Tua design ideas. So if you're looking for some design ideas, I have about 5 or 6 design ideas. So make sure you check out those videos. But if you want prompts, you can actually just go ahead and click the link in the description, and I have 10 free Haw Tua prompts for you, which I'm going to go over. All you have to do is just put 0 here. Now, you can leave a donation if you want, like $1 or $2 or something like that. Everybody that has been leaving donations, just want to thank you so much. But like I said, it's totally free. Just put a 0. Donation is not necessary at all. Only thing I ask that you comment, like, and subscribe. Try and help the video go viral, or even maybe consider becoming a member on my YouTube channel, where you will get a whole bunch of free evergreen trending niches and prompts. But let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts, or the designs from the prompts. So here is the Word file right here that you get in Word and PDF format. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So here I am on my ideogram page on my like section. So here's the first one, Haw Tua, spit on that thing. This one's kind of cross-niching 4th of July with the Haw Tua. We got some American sunglasses. Here what the other ones look like. That one doesn't really make sense because it's got the messed up sunglass, but here's another one. Here's another one. Background doesn't really work on that one. But all these prompts are magic prompts. So magic prompts are basically just more detailed, more descriptive. If you read it, you just see it has a lot of words, a lot of text. That is the first prompt that I have for you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So this one, another 4th of July. I really think this is going to take off for 4th of July because we have a big holiday coming up right around the corner. Here we're cross-niching Haw Tua, spit on that thing with George Washington. So another good one. This could be scaled, like if you like to do Trump shirts. Me personally, I'm not doing Trump shirts, but if you do Trump shirts, you can just put Trump instead of George Washington, or maybe like other American presidents. You can even just put an animal here, like a cat with sunglasses. You know, you can get maybe like a llama because it spits. So you can get creative. You can scale these prompts. The next one is this one, which I thought was really cool because it's got the Haw Tua brand like on the actual hat. Spit on that thing. This one's a little different on a white background. Basically, everybody is designing for black, so when everyone's zigging, you want to zag, and you can do something on like a white background like this. Another 4th of July one. Here, one a little different. This one is cross-niching Haw Tua with fireworks. That's a big 4th of July niche, fireworks, and it's not doing the typical Haw Tua spit on that thing. It's Haw Tua set off that bang. Now, I don't know if set off that bang is trademarked, so you will have to check. But it should be fine, but just always double check and do your research. So Haw Tua, set off that thing. We got the American eagle holding a firework or firecracker. I think this one is pretty cool. Next one is going to be I love Haw Tua girls. I think this turned out really good. There's also another one, which is I love my Haw Tua girlfriend. We've seen that phrase do really well, which basically I love my, pop in the niche, and then you put girlfriend underneath, or even boyfriend, but I don't really think this is going to work for boyfriend. But I love Haw Tua girls, and you can do another one that says I love my Haw Tua girlfriend. That should do well, especially if it was Valentine's Day. This is a funny one right here. You got to give them that Haw Tua where you got the llama and the cat on stage singing. So, and you can switch up the animals. You can do like a camel here, and then you can do here, you can do like a raccoon or like a gopher or a squirrel, or get creative. Next one is not really a cartoonish one, but Haw Tua spit on that thing where you have the distressed American flag for 2024. I think that looks pretty darn good. And let's see, what is the next one? Oh yeah, so this one right here is with the acetol. I think I said it right. If she don't Haw Tua, then I don't want to talk to her. Now this phrase, I just actually posted this on my YouTube channel, but this phrase is really good because it's a play on words and it's funny, and it's using this very trending niche, the Haw Tua niche right now. So if she don't Haw Tua, then I don't want to talk to her is basically what it is saying. You can switch up the animal here. You can get creative with this. You don't even need to use the animal or the acetol, I mean, but this is a pretty good one right here. And then we got this llama one. If she, again, so I'm using that same phrase, but just kind of switching up. So if she don't, let me go like this so I get my face out the way. If she don't Haw Tua, then I don't want to talk to her. So here it's kind of like those photos that you get in the photo booth where you have 4 black and whites. You can switch this up. I've seen this with like cats wearing sunglasses. I've seen it with Donald Trump. You know, you can, the ideas are almost limitless, so get creative. I just like the llama because it's like the animal that spits the most, and you know, that's what the niche is about. It's about spitting. So that is, I think, maybe the 8th one that I have for you. And then this one right here. If she don't Haw Tua, then I don't want to talk to her. You got the llama with a funny look on his face in a tuxedo and bow tie. Now if you want, you can just come in here and you can edit the prompt and make it look like a smiling, so he doesn't look with that kind of that grin on the llama's face. But like I said, all these prompts can be scaled. You can switch it out for different animals, people, bald eagles, whatever. Get kind of creative. And then I was just making some wall art prompts. I don't know if you guys are interested in this, but let me know in the comments if you're interested in wall art prompts. I can maybe make some word files for you. This one is Coastal Cowgirl. These are basically for Etsy, so I don't know if you'd be interested in that. I also sell on Etsy. I also sell wall art. It's probably one of the best niches besides jewelry on Etsy, but I'm kind of getting off topic here. But yeah, so if you want these Haw Tua prompts, link is in the description. I won't email you. Just put 0 here. I want this. You can download it free. All I ask is that you comment, like, and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Let me just go ahead and share with you real quick what you get when you are a member, because I can just do it right here, because I don't really like editing. Oh, hopefully that doesn't get me a restriction or a strike on my account. But so just hit this join button. You can watch the video. And basically I have 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze is just a way to support the free content, but the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold tiers. Silver is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. Each video comes out on Monday morning at 6 a.m. Central, and those videos are going to be for members only, and they are going to be about 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches with prompts. And then also in the silver tier, every day you're going to get a post, a daily market update post on my YouTube channel talking about a trending niche. I talk about why it's trending. I show you an example of the niche. I also give you a prompt and keywords. So the silver is really good, like if you're looking for niches, evergreen, low competition, and trending. And then if you go with the gold, at the beginning of each month, you're going to get a word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So today is June 22nd. So if you were to become a gold member today, July 1st, you would get a word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in August. All right, so you're just going to get a whole bunch of prompts with the gold and a whole bunch of niche ideas with the silver. And if you want to sign up, it's only $7 a month for the silver, only $10 for the gold. You just click this join button. But if this join button is not available in your country, then you can just click on the description right here. Click on Patreon. I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on my Patreon channel. And then if you're looking for a beginner's course for Merch by Amazon, like if you're stuck in tier 10, if you're making less than like $100 a month, I would highly recommend that you check out my Merch by Amazon beginner's course. I'm going to teach you everything I know. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see like this month I'm already at 1,500. Last month I did almost 3,000. So I'll teach you some good stuff that I've learned. I'm a tier 10,000 seller. And then if you want freebies, all you gotta do is just click on my name right here, and you can check out my other courses. But I also have like other free prompts. Let's see what are some good ones that are relevant. So like some free 4th of July prompts. I also have paid prompts as well. So if you like these free ones, consider checking out the paid ones. And I have the same thing, like the most popular one that is selling the best right now is this back to school. So 75 back to school prompts. I also have free ones if you want. So you can come around, you can come here, browse around, check it out. And that is going to be it. So it is the weekend. I'm going to go and try and get a haircut because it's getting long. I'm going to enjoy the weekend, enjoy the Saturday, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Adios.